I don't feel good.
Just drink more alcohol.
I think we need some health potions.
Health potions. That's a good idea.
Welcome to Drinking Nerdy.
What's up, nerds? We're hungover. And I think we need something to drink, man.
I'm feeling some health potions, bro.
Okay, we gotta get that HP back up.
Yes, please.
Alright, let's do it.
Drinks?
Drinks.
Drinks?
Drinks.
The show must go on. It's not like we're out of this yet.
I think you'd better take a look at this.
What is it?
No.
Chris!
I don't know about you, but I need some physical strength. We're gonna take a trip to Umbrella City and get some green herbs. Start off with some sliced up cucumber. Make sure you're collecting fresh green herb, a couple pieces of basil. And for a little extra flavor, a couple pieces of mint. 2 bar spoons of sugar. Half an ounce of lemon juice. And we're gonna go ahead and give these herbs a muddle. And I think I need a little hair of the dog to go with these green herbs. So cucumber mint, kettle 1. 2 ounces. Ice. Shake that shit up. Strain that over fresh ice. And for some extra energy, iced green tea on top. This one has some ginger in it for a little extra herbal kick. Garnish with fresh cucumber, some basil, and a little bit of mint. Sure, I'm not human anymore, but look at the power I've gained.
Well.
What's up, my nerds? As you know, I'm a huge Kirby fan, baby. And it's also my main and Smash Brothers. But if there's one thing I like about Kirby, Maxim tomato, baby. It's gonna cure this hangover for me like no one's business. We start with the juice of 1 full lime, a couple squirts of Maggi sauce. You can get at any Walmart in the Latino section. A couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. A couple dashes of your favorite hot sauce. I love Cholula because it's not too spicy, but it's got all the flavor. Couple dashes of Tajin. It's like a chili powder with like lime and sugar and a little bit of spices. You can also get it at any Walmart or any Target or wherever you do shopping. I got you, Meta Knight. Grab your favorite Mexican lager. They're light, they pack a good amount of flavor. Make sure you get some cubes in there. And to top it off, the main ingredient in the Maxim tomato. Tomate juice, yeah. I use Clamato because it's got a little mix of tomato, clam juice. Perfect for hangover, baby. I know this year was rough, but let's get it. Clamato, you can add it to taste. I like mine a little juicy because it really helps with the beer flavor. Give your Maxim tomato a little swirl. Make sure it looks cute. Get that HP bar up, baby.
Well, Happy New Year, my friend.
Happy New Year.
It's been a rough 2020, huh?
Yeah.
So this is Kirby inspired, yeah?
Yeah, dude, I fucks with Kirby. It's one of my favorite video games growing up.
So cute.
It's my main Smash brother. I challenge anyone watching this video Smash Bros. One-on-one. See me with Kirby, baby.
Fair enough.
Your funeral. I've actually been to Smash Brothers tournaments. Yeah, I went to one where the main prize was a Mini Cooper. Super random, but
That's cool.
I pretty much got destroyed by like a 5-year-old kid on round 1. I mean, holy crap.
These little kids are so good at video games. I was playing, I want to say like Kingdom Hearts or like one of the Mario games, and my friend's son, who's like 7, was like 10 levels ahead of me, and I couldn't figure out how to beat this level. I had to ask him.
So, I based my drink on the Maxim tomato from Kirby, because the Maxim tomato, every time you eat it, it restores your health like a huge amount. It doesn't restore everything, but it restores you like a huge amount, right? So,
That's fair.
right now, I'm a little hungover, and one of my favorite hungover recipes, it's a michelada. Micheladas are like Bloody Marys, but with beer.
I haven't had michelada in a while. Can I try this?
Yes, for sure.
I'll drink from the other side. Gus doesn't want my cooties.
Wow.
That's pretty damn good.
Yeah, it is. It's
Oh, that's refreshing.
yeah. So it's like a super like South American thing to like when you party, you're out till like 5 a.m. like we were with this New Year's party.
Yep.
I'm feeling rough. It is the best thing because it's like because Bloody Marys with vodka is very aggressive. It's like shit, it's vodka, you know.
It's too much, and they're always really thick.
Yeah. So this is like it's a Mexican lager, tomato juice, all the spices to get you going. Rehydrates, but not aggressively like a cocktail would.
Yeah.
It's just like a beer. It helps you kick it back up. Matter of fact, these lights are killing my head. No, so yeah, Maxim Tomato, bro. Kirby. It was one of my favorite games growing up, man. Like, just this little blob. I identify with Kirby because everywhere I go, eat the local food, and assimilate, baby.
He's just a little pink blob.
I'm proud of it, though. That's my body shape. Little pink blob.
I'm in shape. In a pink blob shape.
Yeah, I'm into fitness. Fitness whole pizza in my mouth.
Okay, so I went little Resident Evil green herb action.
Oh,
so
the
you have
green
the different,
herb
like the green
classic.
and the blue and the yellow herb.
Yeah.
I went with green herbs. It's kind of got like a matcha flavor with the green tea and then all of the basil and the mint.
So I tried your drink, and it
Yeah.
definitely has green herbs vibe to it. I'm like, when I was drinking it, I was like, oh, for sure. If I was in Resident Evil, green herbs, that's what it would taste like. And actually, it tastes amazing. It's pretty good.
It's super refreshing.
Yeah, I like when you're hungover. What you need is some nature in your body, and a little bit of alcohol too.
A lot of ice helps.
Yeah.
Ice really helps. And one of my other favorite things to do is a lot of like green juices, and ginger is awesome. So there's a little bit of ginger in this green tea because it like gets the juices in your guts going. You got to get all that stuff out.
I recently re-downloaded Resident Evil for my Switch.
Yeah.
The original one. And
Okay.
I
I
forgot
played that and
I forgot how thrilling it was. Oh my god. Because like the new Resident Evils are like it's just like it's like Gears of War meets fucking Left 4 Dead. Like it's not scary, you know, there's like you walk around but there's just like a giant octopus will come out and like try to fucking kill you. It's not scary. The original Resident Evil,
it was scary.
the camera angles, like there's only one camera angle in each room, and you're walking around and out of nowhere it's just like, so you don't have, like you have to react. It's just scary. Like I've been playing it and I was like, because I'm super careful when I play games, so like I try to save every now and then,
Yeah.
but you only have a limited amount of saves in the original one, so,
yeah.
and the bullets run out, so you have to decide when to fight and when to run, and I think that's a perfect allegory for hangover cures.
Conserve your energy.
I
Get what you
love
can
this
get.
theme. I love this theme because there's so many like health potions in all kinds of video games that you can do your own, you know? Like I
Yeah.
just thought the Maxim tomato was such a perfect thing for like michelada because it's all tomato juice.
I forgot about that whole thing.
Yeah, you know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
like, and the green herbs is they're iconic health options for your games. Like they're so iconic. Everyone knows it. Even if you're not a huge gamer, you identify Resident Evil, you identify Kirby.
Yeah. I love that, like, in every video game, there's some way to, like, renew your energy or power up in some kind of way. So, like, even with Mario, it's always the mushrooms.
Sure.
Or, like, if you play, like, the video game versions of, like, the Harry Potter stuff, it's always chocolate frogs, gives you energy.
Dude. You know, they sell those every flavor beans for...
Oh my god, have you ever had the booger one?
Dude, the booger...
Ugh.
Believe it or not, you know, I could get with the booger, I could get with the skunk spray, I could get all those. You know the one I can't stand?
What?
Buttered popcorn.
That's my favorite jelly bean!
But it makes me throw up. It's so
Oh
disgusting.
my god, I love buttered popcorn and blue raspberry.
Oh, just
That's
thinking
a
about
good
it right now. Fuck.
Dude, that michelada's good.
Yeah, dude, micheladas. What's up, my Latino people know what's up. And my Southern USA people know what's up with
I
micheladas.
haven't had a michelada in forever, and that's...
They're a huge thing in my house. Every time there's a cookout in my house, we bring out pictures of this shit. It's so good, and it's just like a Mexican lager. It's not like an American pilsners are very light. They're perfect for a hot day, but lagers are also good because they're a little more flavorful. You know, they're not as clean, crisp as a pilsner, but they go perfect with something like tomato juice and spices.
Well, a lot of them are brewed with salt and lime. So if you are hungover, that's basically electrolytes, right?
Holy
Because
crap,
you need
yes.
salt and you need sugar. So like salt and lime and anything that you're drinking the next day will help you. So get a Corona or a Pacifico, even better. Put a little salt and lime in there, you're gonna feel better.
Baby, that's what drinking nerdy is all about. We're drinking nerdy. Get your electrolytes. That's what plants like.
You know what's the best is, do you get really hot when you're hungover?
Yeah, I start sweating all the fucking
You need a
alcohol.
fan.
No, you know what I do?
That's the best.
Every time I'm
Fan.
hungover, what I do is I shut my bathroom door, turn the lights off, and put the shower at maximum heat, and I just lay in the bathtub and let the water hit me, and You ever seen Harry Potter, the last one, where Voldemort is in a train station, like a fetus on the floor?
That's just you.
That's me, all fucking wrinkled and ugly on the floor, and then just hot water hitting me, like trying to... That's me in a hangover, okay?
I had guy friends that decided that the best idea was to literally put a stool in their shower. So they had a stool in their bathroom. Whenever they were hungover, they'd put the stool in the shower and sit and just let it.
Holy shit, like, how can I never thought of that? That's amazing.
Brilliance.
You have good friends. That's a good friend.
Well, let us know what your favorite hangover cure is, because we definitely need some more ideas.
Yeah, you know, I've been alive for so many years, and I've kept it to Maxim tomatoes.
And tell me what your favorite health potion or energy-saving skills are in a video game.
I want to hear you, my nerds out there, with your Phoenix down, with your health pack, with your heart container. You tell us what your favorite one is. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, tell your friends and family about it. Make sure you don't drink as much as we do. It's a fucked up life.
Gus isn't okay.
Yeah, hangovers just bring my... They bring my rising sun Sagittarius out, so... I don't know what that means, I just made that up.
That's not even your signs, bro.
My signs are these. Kage no Bunshin Jutsu! That's my sign. Jane has no clue about Naruto.
I don't know. I could tell you a lot about astrology, though.
I'm just fucked up, I'm sorry guys. It's been a long night. A lot of champagne. A little whiskey, tequila, mezcal. Maybe vodka, I think.
Oh, jeez. Lesson number 1, don't mix. If you're over 25, don't mix alcohol. It's a bad idea.
Anyway, I'm gonna leave you with this advice, guys. If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, out of Maryland. Just cut it there. Just cut the video there.
We'll see you next time when we're more together. Maybe.
Yeah. Get your HP up, babe.